Hi everyone, how are you? Are you fine? So, today's video we will talk about a girl named Riley. She will show you about her daily school routine, information Riley Queen did it by herself. This story is by the creative writer Riley Queen.
Wake up, Riley.
Yes, Mom, I wake up.
Get ready for school, Riley.
Okay, Mom. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Anna. Hi, Riley. Hi, Jenny.
Stop talking, kids.
Okay, teacher.
So, let's continue our lesson. So, Riley 1 plus 6 equals what?
It's 7.
Correct.
I am so tired. I played a lot. I will go sleep now. See you tomorrow.
Looking like she slept. So, we finished our story day in school. So, if you like the story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Love you.